I'm in the midst of Hurricane Gloria, the big hurricane that came today and is one of the most severe storms ever experienced by New York. As you see, the rain starting to increase. Excuse me. Hello? Hello, I can hear you, sir. Coming out on the TV again.
Move!
Hello? Hello? Hi. Brian Cooney reporting live for Hurricane. What's the hurricane's name again? Gloria. Hurricane Gloria. Just look at those winds, folks. We've had a few trees falling down, branches, a lot of branches on the ground. A lot of rain, very strong winds.
Boo!
Here's meteorologist Daryl Cooney for the WBS TV Weather Center. What do you think about the storm, sir?
Oh no! I think we might have some major winds. That whooping sound that you've been hearing is the thing that tells you when you're closer to the eye. Some major tornadoes ought to be coming along. So far, I've been seeing winds more powerful than I've ever seen in the world. What happened to the BBC?
We're having difficulties. Please stand by.
Get it right.
Meteorologist Daryl Cooney.
Yes,
what do you think when do you think the full effect of the storm will come to us, sir?
well, I'd say about 3 o'clock, 3:30 maybe, the strongest part of it. The eye ought to be hitting us about 4 o'clock. And then after that, we're going to get some major winds. There might be some tornadoes, and we're going to just have to watch out.
Sir, is it too late to evacuate your homes? Is it too late to go to a shelter center and have that junk like that?
Well,
Should the people stay home, or should they continue to try to evacuate their homes?
some people ought to and some people shouldn't. Some people, it's too late for them. Some people, they didn't pay attention and they have to stay in their homes. And so far as we can see out this window right there, see, right there, we can see the very major winds. It's kind of hard, it's a little foggy. And please turn it back to me. Oh no! Is this who? Don't be telling me this, is this my microphones? There. We're afraid that a major tornado will hit in Katonah, New York.
Please repeat that, sir.
It sounds like a major tornado will hit close to Somers, but in Katonah, New York. It ought to be let down by then. So far, so bad. Well, I've been hearing the doors, the airtight doors flapping, and that's the thing that we're afraid of. If those things come off a bit, then it usually means that the whole house is going to come apart. Maybe even this tower might come apart. Right now we're in the tower part, but the main tower part is upstairs though. But is that lightning? Never mind. We are experiencing some very drastic winds and rain, and as far as I'm concerned, most of you ought to evacuate, get somewhere like New York City sheltering. Get back over here.
Talking. What? Keep on talking.
And there's one more thing. As you can see out the window, it seems like it's letting up. It says this is what's happening. They're going through little pieces of no rain, and then suddenly the wind just hits you. You can't expect it to. Just when one wind goes away, it doesn't usually mean that another wind isn't going to come again. So if you see everything stopping, don't go outside because it might start all over again. We'll tell you how it's going Never mind. No. And we'll be mostly contacting it around 12 o'clock tonight. We'll be seeing you on WBS TV. Tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock we will start telling you. This is Earl Cooney, Major Windcasting person, signing off. I think I can see the tornado forming out the west side of the tower, and it seems that it's getting worse and worse. It usually gets better and better for us. It looks like it's getting bigger and what? I've got some more reports on Gloria. And it seems that tomorrow morning it shall be past the East Coast and go on to Canadian places. And
Look at the camera, gosh dang it!
okay. Come on, I need to look out the dang window to see what's going on. So far, almost all the cities in Long Island have been evacuated. And so far in Rhode Island, there's no problem, but it might still go on. Just a second.
What seems to be a problem?
Get out of here!
You!
He's killing me! Come on!
Sorry, I had to do that.
He's the major watcher. He always plays the stereo. Get it! Hope you didn't hear that, but
Oh my God. Did you see that gale?
yeah. Come here, look at that! Did you see that gale forcing? To the west.
Tell me if it goes out.
It was either gale or hurricane force. Okay. Perfect focus. Okay. Now look as you can see, or maybe later, we're going to tune in a little later, and you can see at 3 o'clock the horrible winds and rains at 3 o'clock. Turn back. I'm going to go downstairs, maybe. Good focus. Now
we are going around.
We're not going around.
I mean,
I think we
might be going through the eye. As you can see, it's clear. It's not clear.
Oh wait, it isn't clear. I'm sorry.
It's not clear. Sorry. It's very cloudy. It's starting to rain very hard. Pretty soon we're going to be going through the eye, and it'll be clear. Yes. And
there's one more thing.
there's one more thing.
Stop it!
Stop it!
Stop it! Don't stop it.
I have to so that we can hear.
Okay, and
And
there's one more thing.
there's one more thing. You have got to if
forget that. If
no,
you
wait.
are only children,
if you are all only children, you must call your parents.
No, not your parents.
Well, actually, you must call
The police station.
the police station
and get further details
of
what to do.
what to do in the storm.
Yes, and if it gets too bad,
If it gets too bad,
15,
and if you're
then,
15,
or 16,
then
you don't know how to drive, or
then
you're
you
just
can,
running,
you have permission to drive.
We give you permission.
Yes.
And,
But only if you've started a course in driving and you have a driver's permit.
Michael. And
If you
have no car,
then
what you have to do,
you have to call the police department,
or maybe you
or-
can call
or maybe
a
friend or someone who has a car, and they will pick you up,
or a cab,
or maybe a cab,
and then
and then
tell them to go to a place where
reporting to you live from WBS Studios in New York, and it looks like Hurricane Gloria is starting to let up. It's not, the sky is starting to brighten, and they say that we are definitely through the worst of the storm. We still have a bit left to go, but it will not be half as severe as what we've been through already. As you can see, the skies have brightened considerably, and there's our fan, and the rain has decreased quite a bit, and everything is starting to look up. I think we're everything from here is downhill, I do believe. We've gotten through the hard part, and now we just have to worry about Al Cooney, who is an impact.
Shut up.
Oh, and by the way, the time is, just a minute. The time is 1:29, and the date is September 27th. It's 1:29 p.m. and, well, we're through the worst of the storm. Everything is starting to look up. And that's all I have to say. So, goodbye.
And now, from a restaurant near you, Wendy's presents a Mighty GoBot offer for your kids.
GoBots, GoBots.
Mighty GoBots